So with the cardboard model, we need to get our links, of course. Now this time, this link is going to be a single link, so we have to cut an L-shaped link. So let's check how that will be done. The easiest way to do this is to use our pinning method. I don't know where this one came from. So you put a pin here, put a pin here, you put a pin here. Just transfer it rather than doing the measurements. So we have a pin here, we have a pin here. I don't want to be somewhere. I have a pin here. So you join this to this, this to that. Now since you are going to put a pin here to the page, you want to give room. So let's say you add 1 centimeter more. Alright, then you go and cut something of this shape. Okay, so I have cut mine already, which is here, right? See, it fits nicely. So I have this here. The next is the coupler and the crank. So let's measure. First, we measured the coupler, which is FE 11. So you cut a strip of 13 centimeters. Let's check this. Okay, this is 13, right? Why? Because we need an extra to give room for pinning. And then the ground, we have 06F. 06F is 1.6. So you need to cut what? 3.6. You have to add 2, or you have to add 2 to give room. So let's check this. So this is 3.6, right? So we will use this 2 as well. So when we come, you measure 1 centimeter here, you pin 1 centimeter, you pin 1 centimeter, you put a pin, 1 centimeter, you put a pin, and then here 1 centimeter, you put a pin. All right. So let's quickly do that. So if I do this, I have this point somewhere here. So I have to locate this point on this link. So after doing that, you create that hole right here. Okay, so we join our coupler. Then join the crank. So, and the crank, the coupler should lie on top. If not, if you are driving it, to go and lie under it. Okay, so you should have this and this. Alright. So we just have to pin them on the page. Okay, so from here, oh, this thing got stuck. So yeah, you are done, and this is the cardboard model.